Hi-ya! Turn your room into your dream room with this gadget. Or what about these fun gadgets for showers? Stick around to see some interesting picks for your room. All the links to the products are in the description below. Hello, Sense with Voice Sleep System. Sense with Voice is the insightful sleep tracker that helps you improve your sleep and wake up feeling great. Get a detailed breakdown of your sleep cycles, learn how the environment in your room affects your sleep, discover trends in your sleep quality, and more. Being woken up from deep sleep leaves you feeling groggy and tired. Smart Alarm can wake you up during the lightest phase of your sleep, leaving you feeling refreshed and ready to take on your day. Get the most out of your sleep with personalized insights tailored to your sleep patterns. Find your optimal sleeping environment and learn how your daily routine impacts the quality of your sleep. Dyson PureCool Me Personal Purifying Fan delivers a focused stream of purified air to cool you. A fully sealed HEPA filter and activated carbon filter captures 99.97 degrees of allergens and pollutants, including pollen, bacteria, and pet dander. Allows you to precisely adjust airflow to deliver personal cooling with purified air. This makes it ideal for individuals who want to project air precisely where they need it. Precisely control your airflow with a simple sliding mechanism. By adjusting the dome's position, you can change the airflow angle of the air purifier. Built-in LCD shows airflow level and filter life. MALOUF Z Shoulder Zone Dough Memory Foam Pillow. Harness the benefits of aromatherapy with the Z Shoulder Zone Dough Memory Foam Pillow with lavender. Known to induce sleep and regulate sleep cycles, this relaxing scent comes infused into the pillow. Included 2 milliliter spritzer allows you to refresh the aroma when needed. The unique shoulder recess is designed specifically for side sleepers and helps to cradle the head while supporting the neck. The design also helps reduce tossing and turning. Premium Tencel covers works with the scent instead of blocking it. Memory foam is free of harsh chemicals and is CertiPure US certified. Vansky Motion Activated Bed Light. The warm, soft glow of the bed light will turn on to guide you safely across the room in the dark, with no disturbing glare to wake others. Only light up when it picks up your movement, and auto shut off after leaving, further improving power efficiency and saving energy. Built-in human body passive infrared motion sensor light with automatic shut-off timer. Automatic turn on and shut off by human induction in the dark environment. Please make sure to connect the input and output in the correct way. Otherwise, the motion sensor will not work properly. Motion sensor auto shut-off timer can be set from 30 seconds to 6 minutes. Continue trigger and system to keep the light on and automatically turn off within 30 seconds to 10 minutes after leaving. iHome Zenergy Bedside Sleep Therapy Machine Sleep Better. If bedtime is the time you love the most, yet you find yourself uncomfortable and unable to fall asleep, you're like the millions of others who feel the same way. You can spend thousands at sleep centers and do years of therapy, but there must be a better and easier way. It's called the iHome Zenergy Bedside Sleep Therapy Machine. The iHome Zenergy Bedside Sleep Therapy Machine offers you all the needed tools for a better sleep using light and sound therapy that matches the mood you're feeling. The multiple settings allow you to move from fast pulses to swirling lights of wonder. The soft and wonderful white noise sounds of the iHome Zenergy Bedside Sleep Therapy Machine will surely make you feel like you're on a faraway land away from the daily grind of your normal schedule. Swan STM201N Vintage Teasmade. Steeped in history, the Teasmade concept can be traced back to 1891, when its inventor, Samuel Rowbottom, developed the first tea waker, which became known as the Teasmade from 1932. Hugely popular in the 60s, 70s, and 80s, Teasmades quickly became a design icon. By the early noughties, stock was extremely sought after and flew off the shelves as soon as they became available. Swan reintroduced them to the market in 2009 and is proud to offer a range of contemporary and classic models with rapid boil functions, analog as well as LCD clocks, and ceramic teapots, perfect for when one cup is just not enough. Quirky Porkfolio Smart Piggy Bank. A piggy bank that syncs with an app that allows you to check your balance and set goals. It's a full-on financial institution. Alerts are triggered by Porkfolio's built-in accelerometer to protect your savings from shenanigans. All you'll have to worry about is bringing home the bacon. While Porkfolio is adult-friendly, it really shines when teaching the little ones about money and responsibility. Piggy banks are way more fun when the internet's inside. SleepCompanion. You know your sleep is important for your health and your mood, and we want to help you achieve a better sleep. How? By using the most efficient yet all-natural method, light. But not only, embedding sensors, SleepCompanion helps you understand the factors that may disrupt the quality of your nights, such as the temperature or the noise level in your bedroom, while its companion app gives you personalized and actionable advices to get the best of your nights. Because you deserve a better sleep. SleepCompanion adjusts its light according to the time of the day. BedJet Cooling. Some like it hot, some need it cool, some want to stay dry, and others need different sleep temperatures than their partners. That's why everyone loves their BedJet. Using advanced technology, the BedJet sends a gentle and quiet stream of air directly into your bed for powerful cooling and warming comfort. BedJet Cooling is awesome relief for stuffy bedrooms, hot sleepers, night sweats, and hot flashes. Cooling mode power ventilates your bed using room temperature air to wick out body heat and body moisture nearly instantly. It's felt within 10 seconds. Warming makes cold feet a thing of the past. Beddit Classic Sleep Monitor. Beddit is the world's most ambient sleep tracker. You place the ultra-thin Beddit sensor to your bed, under the bedsheet, and just sleep on it. Beddit takes care of the rest. Beddit connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth and wakes you up at an optimal hour using its smart alarm feature. In the morning, you'll have a sleep analysis on your smartphone telling you your sleep time, sleep cycles, sleeping patterns, resting heart rate, breathing frequency, and snoring time. Utilizing your sleep data and personal details set on your profile, Beddit coaches you towards better sleep and healthier life. Edifier USA MF240BT Black TikTok Bluetooth. Waking up has never been easier. TikTok Air, one of Edifier's TikTok series, allows for any Bluetooth-enabled device with alarm capabilities. The retro-designed alarm clock features a front-firing speaker and two 360-degree omnidirectional tweeters allow for multi-directional rich sound that can be controlled with ease using the navigation, input selection, and volume control buttons located on the top of the clock. TikTok Air also comes with an auxiliary input jack and FM radio for other media applications. Stream music directly from your smartphone with Edifier's TikTok Bluetooth alarm clock. Ampere Shower Power. A proprietary hydropower system uses the water you were already using in the shower for power, so you always have a fully charged speaker. Shower power seamlessly integrates into your daily routine. It turns on automatically pairs, and automatically turns off. The cylindrical design delivers big, immersive audio that plays evenly in all directions and is designed for bathroom acoustics. Shower power is made from recovered ocean plastic. But that's not all. It is also delivered in 100% plastic-free packaging. Shower power installs onto nearly any shower head, rain, fixed, or handheld. Nanoleaf light panels. Create your own completely unique layouts with modular panels. Big, small, or huge. Linear, geometric, or totally abstract. The choice is yours. Use hexagons, triangles, or mini triangles on their own, or mix and match the different shapes with Connect Plus technology for endless design combinations. Transform your favorite songs into a music festival light show in your own home. Try the Pop Rocks rhythm scene and watch your lights dance to the beat. Control your lights with swipes and taps right on the panels themselves.